Okay, so hey guys, today is the fifth day of Integral a Day, and I've got another problem for us. I was wanting to go on the thread of using trigonometric identities for our integrals now. However, when doing them today, the one I was wanting to do today, I realized that I was quite weak at something I used to be quite good at, which is u-substitution. So I figured that, I said u, so I wrote u. Nope, we're integrating with respect to x here. So yeah, I found that I need to practice this. So in order to sort of get to the better trigonometric, to integrate more fun ones, I guess you could say. And ones that just aren't what's the integral of cos, you know. So yeah, to practice this is our problem. Yeah, so firstly we need to pick a u. Usually I tend to go with the one that's either longer or has something else going on, and it's just not just a term on its own, like this one's underneath the square root. So I'm going to make that my u. And now we're going to need du, which the 1 comes down, which becomes 1, this becomes 0. So we really get dx. And this here still isn't very nice. So in order to get a new x and substitute it for u, I'm actually going to say that u minus 2 is equal to x. And now we can substitute u in for x instead. And this should be a much nicer term to integrate. Let's go here. So now we're integrating with respect to u. So we have u minus 2 square root of u, which I'm going to write as u minus 2 u half. Oh, I've got the du, and I should really get rid of that. Got du. And see, this is why it's called u-substitution, is we're substituting in u in for x. So we get a new term. This would be quite difficult to integrate without u-substitution. So we pretty much sort of manipulate this so we get a better function. We haven't integrated this yet. Okay, so the next step I'm sort of thinking would be to expand the brackets. So the integral, I'm going to start putting equal signs in. If you want to find more out about u-substitution, there's a lot of videos on YouTube. My channel is just for practicing questions and seeing how other people, I want to create this as a bit of a community where a lot of us can just come and share our ideas and how we would substitute it. I mean, solve the integral. Thinking and talking at the same time is not my forte. I'm going to get good at it. Practice. So what would that be? That would now be I guess we're about to find out whether I'm wrong or not when I check it on Symbolab. This is my best crack at it. Okay, well, I think we're ready to integrate now. So we add 1 to both terms and then put that result, like we divide our result when our new exponent as the denominator. Can I even English right now? So add 1 there, I think that will become 5/2. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm a bit rusty on this u-substitution, but with a little bit more practice, I should get a lot better after practicing with you guys. Now a half, that'll become 2, 3 on 2. And now since we've integrated, we swap the dot d with plus c. I guess you can see it that way. Now remember how, like 2 days ago, I think I showed you guys the algebraic rule, b over c is equal to a times by c over b. We can use that to make this look a bit nicer now. Yeah, this function here now, and if you want that like described a bit more thoroughly, just go back and watch. I don't have many videos before this one, so I think it was the video 2 days ago where I described this algebraic rule in one of the questions. It was day 3, I know that much for sure. Minus, we bring the 2 up, which makes us 4 u 3 on 2 over 3 plus c. Right, now we're ready. I believe we're ready to substitute, we'll swap u out for our x. I'll see u is equal to x plus 2. And we were originally wanting to integrate our function with respect to x, but it was easier to do it with respect to u. But now that we've integrated with respect to u, we just swap u for x again. So that becomes 2/5 x plus 2. That there isn't a derivative, by the way. Yeah, this isn't the only integral question I've done today. I've been practicing u-substitution and been trying to come up with a lot of questions. And another website, I don't even know, like, I've never talked to the guy that owns it, or not sponsored by him in any way, but a great website if you want questions to practice. I don't use them in my videos, but another website is Paul's Math Notes. I think that's his website's name. I was using that last year for my engineering course, and that had some really good questions. If you want more questions than what what I'm showing every day. I'm only ever going to post one. Wow, I did it a second time. All right, let's not be a fool and make the same question 3 times now. I need to stop talking. X plus 2. Yeah, all right. Well, I reckon that's the derivative there. Let's check it. I'm going to write it anyways, as if it is. I'm going to be a bit confident with it. And, oh, we never, let's say this one is, let's go P X. Yeah? Now, that means Px can equal let us know if you have any tips for me and everyone else on how to, just little tips on u-substitution and everything, and or how this could have been done better. Do I even need to do u-substitution? That's just the way I thought this one could be done, since it's under the square root here. All right, let's go check it. So I'm going to share my, I haven't got Google Chrome set up. So open Google Chrome. Simbolab solver. dxx. Now I think square root is sqrt. Yeah, sweet. And x plus 2. All right, and they got 2/5. I'm just going to alt tab back and forth to make sure it's right. Plus 2. Oh, look out! We got it. All right, it's awesome. Share screen. So this here, you put a big red tick next to it. Let me know if you got a different answer, if you think this should actually be something else, and let us all know why you think so. And you will either teach us something, or someone else in the community will be able to help you out to understanding why you may have gotten a different result. Yeah, this video is a bit late, so I can't say have a good rest of your day, but I hope you enjoy whatever you're doing. This video is going out a bit late just because I do night work and I had to sleep today because I was up late last night, and I usually do it at 12 o'clock when I get home, but I was really tired. But yeah, I'll catch you all here tomorrow. I'll post tomorrow's video early too. Yeah, bye.